I don't believe in the word diet. Don't record it right now. डंडे पड़ेंगे. Yoga, yoga and yoga. But मैंने तो जिम की शक्ल ही नहीं देखी. Skin is skinning. I like that. I shouldn't be saying that, but it's the truth. I will eat everything. I love horror films. Don't care about what people say. Diet and Kapoors don't go together. You want to do your money, your face. Do what you want to do. I don't believe in drama.
Please tell us one gossip. Hello everyone, welcome to our brand new show, The Gupshup Gala. And today with us we have a very special guest, the gorgeous and the most stunning Ridhima Kapoor Sahni.
Hi everyone.
Hello Ridhima, how are you?
Hi, I'm very well. How are you? As you are.
Thank you, I'm very good. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
So Ridhima, as you've seen that you've shined through so many roles, you know, from being a jewelry designer, then being a fitness enthusiast, and now after your first debut, we've seen that as an actor also you've just shined through. So how does it feel like, you know, to add another feather in your cap?
It feels surreal. It's obviously very satisfying, but of course there's a lot more to achieve, and every day is a new day. So I have a lot to do.
So like you're the Kapoor daughter, and the Kapoors, like, you know, they do everything together, from the pujas to celebrating all their functions, you know, and all that Indian festivals they celebrate. Plus you see so much of the gala dinners. So let me ask you, like, are you the core Punjabi foodie or you're always on diet?
I'm telling, we are born foodies, you know, honestly. In the Kapoor house, everyone is a foodie. We enjoy our food. I don't believe in the word diet. Honestly, I don't believe in diet. I just feel, make your soul happy. You know, there's one life, live it to the fullest. Eat everything, but eat in moderation. So portion control is the key, you know, and don't deprive yourself of anything. So if you feel like having something sweet, have it, you know, make your inner, like your soul happy. And that's what I believe in doing, you know. So I eat everything, but yes, I eat in moderation.
True, looks like that. But it looks like that you're always on diet, you know, because of all the shoots and everything.
No, not at all. So, as I said, it's all about, I try and eat healthy, but yes, I have a binge day once a week. Once or twice a week, though, I have a binge day. It means whatever, and like I eat everything. You know, jo khana hai, I will eat. You know, I won't deprive myself of anything. I'm not into any sort of diet because I don't believe in that, to be honest, you know. Man kyun marna hai, you know, just so, but I won't overdo, you know, that's what I don't believe in, overdoing things. If I want to have, like I said, if I want to have something sweet, I'll have a piece of chocolate. And why not, you know, at least I'm satisfied.
So, जैसा आपने binge eating की बात करी, so what is your like go-to favorite cheat meal?
घर का खाना.
जैसे कि क्या?
सब कुछ जो बनाए घर पे. You know, honestly, my favorite food, if you ask me, it has to be South Indian. I love South Indian khana. I love curd rice. Curd rice, achar, papad. Dil khush. Honestly,
perfect.
Yeah, I just love it. I crave like my yoga sir, he's South Indian. So every time he comes home, I'm like, sir, curd rice bana ke le aao next class. And sometimes I even tell him that curd rice nahi leke aoge next class, I'm not doing class only then, you know. So he's like, theek hai. So he keeps bringing me, you know, whatever he makes at home. Kabhi rasam ho gaya, kabhi curd rice ho gaya. But I just love South Indian.
So being a North Indian, being a true Punjabi, but you still have this like whole
but I love
South Indian.
I swear, I love simple khana. You know, I love my dal, chawal, sabzi, you know, that makes me happy. Like, I have no interest in fancy food and going out to eat. मुझे interest ही नहीं है. I love eating मेरे घर का खाना और मेरी माँ के घर का खाना in Mumbai.
So if you have to choose between like Delhi का street snack या फिर that fine dine from Bombay, तो आप क्या choose करोगे?
अरे street food, but मुंबई का मुंबई की भेलपूरी. Yes.
और दिल्ली का?
दिल्ली की चाट.
दिल्ली की चाट. Your favorite corner?
Nathu's. It's right around the corner from my house, so I enjoy it.
Also being brought up in the Punjabi family, you know, with all that warmth, all the fun, तो आपका morning breakfast table कैसा लगता था? Was it all paranthas and all the butter and everything?
When we were growing up?
Yeah. अभी भी कैसा लगता है जब आप जाते हो?
Abhi to everyone is very
Conscious.
not conscious means it's more like they are very healthy. So we have our there are no parathas, but there's we have chilas instead, and we have a fruit platter, toast and eggs, and all of that. So it's not like heavy duty like parathe to nahi hai subah, but it's a healthier breakfast, healthier options. Yes.
और जैसे आपने डाइट की बात करी तो मतलब there was this news we saw that the Sonam Kapoor, she said that she believes that honey is not healthy for kids, and you being a mother of Samara, now Raha is also there, she's like a daughter to you, so you also like take care of their diet, like what they're eating, and you believe that these like such things should be excluded from the diet.
I mean, see, like I've given my child honey, so I mean I give her everything literally, and she's a teenager now, she's 14. But she's smarter than I am. Like she will tell me, Mama, this is not good. And the other day she was giving me this long lecture on, why you should not have this, and you should not mix roti and chawal, either stick to rice or stick to having roti. I was very impressed, and I tried to record that, and she was like, don't record it right now, but I'm telling you, this is for your ears only, So kids are very smart these days, teenagers, but of course it depends on the parents, every mother knows best for her child, so it really depends on them.
But not just honey, but like generally, like you do take care of the diet, what they're having.
So I didn't give Samara salt and sweet sugar for a year and a half, but कभी relatives, एक मतलब चखा देते थे, ये भी खा लो, but थोड़े that excitement of a baby in the house, but I tried my best to keep her away from it's all about immunity. Your immunity builds up, and but we were तो given यार हमारे टाइम पे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, हम लोग को तो सब दिया था, but these days of course there's more awareness, I feel. So as I said, every mother knows best for for her child, and so whatever works for them.
Like we want to know what is your fitness secret.
So I mean, whoever follows me on Instagram knows that I'm very particular, and I'm very consistent with yoga. So I do yoga. I try not to skip a workout. So I do 4 or 5 times a week. I also incorporate weights, along with yoga, because at my age it's very important, and it's necessary that I do weight training as well. Usually I work out on my body weight, so that also somewhere definitely helps. But yoga has been a part of my fitness journey since 2004 actually. Long time, but it was again very, I used to get not bored, but I wanted a change. When you're much younger, you want to do more things, and you want to try new things, go to the gym, go swimming. But after Samara was born, I only stuck to yoga. I didn't do anything else. So it's just yoga, and only yoga for me now.
Yeah, because people see you and I think you've set the bar that yoga is always flexible.
But मैंने तो gym की शक्ल ही नहीं देखी. I don't know since how many years I haven't been to a gym.
Yeah.
I think I've forgotten how to run on a treadmill also. No, but jokes apart, I only do yoga.
Yeah, you're a firm yoga believer.
Yes, I am. Yes.
Also, your mom, Neetu ji, she's herself like a fitness inspiration.
She is.
So has she given you some tricks and tips?
Yes. So my mother always tells me, no matter what you do, whatever you choose to do in terms of fitness, and if you want to go to the gym, just be consistent. Don't skip a workout. So that's very important. Dedication.
True.
So do it, and do something that you enjoy. That whatever you enjoy doing, do that and stick to it. Like, in my case, yoga works for me. Maybe in your case or whoever else, maybe you enjoy doing something else, So just because I'm doing yoga doesn't mean it may work for you. Something else may work for you. So do that. Do whatever makes you happy. Do whatever that works for you, and stick to that.
Sabka apna.
Wohi to, everyone, because everybody's body is different.
True.
So do something that you truly enjoy and something that you will be dedicated to.
Also, Ridhima, today's time, where everybody is in this rat race, rushing here
Yeah.
and there. So you're trying to, go for that healthy lifestyle, go for that, like that celebrity-like look, have that fit body, but they don't have much time.
Yeah.
So if I ask you 5 tips that you would love to give, for a person who has a really busy morning, but they want to add something, some healthy habits in their routine.
Yes. Honestly, there are more than 5 tips, but let me start by saying that, if you're working, and these days, of course, everyone is leading very, very busy lives, everyone's caught in the rat race. But if your workplace is, it's close to home, try walking to your office, Try not taking the elevator, run up the stairs, run down the stairs. These things help. When you take out some time for yourself, maybe stretch in the middle of the day, just a few stretches can help you. But I think most important thing is your mental health. One has to meditate. Physical matlab activities to hoti rahengi, you have to be active. Everyone is active in their own way, but it's very important to focus on your mind. Very important to meditate. So if you could take out 5 or 10 minutes and just concentrate on your breathing, concentrate on meditation, throw the phone out, literally, and just sort of clear your head, clear your mind, that also works, it really, really helps. Stretches, of course, as I said, running up and down the stairs, walk to your workplace. What else? Eat healthy. I mean, try and eat healthy, if you can. Depends on your, on your lifestyle actually. But try to follow a balanced diet, hydrate, But in terms of workouts, as I said, every body is different. So whatever works for you, you should do that.
But like you said that you don't believe in diets.
No, I don't.
But what people...
But I believe in a balanced diet. Yeah. I don't believe in starvation. I don't believe in depriving yourself of whatever you want to eat. But I believe in following a balanced diet. That's what I truly endorse.
So जैसा हमने बताया कि like never starve yourself, but especially Gen Zs, we have this problem, that to control that cravings कि कैंटीन में जा रहे हैं या देख लिया मोमोज देख लिया तो we just can't control our cravings. So how to control that?
तो खा लो. It's okay. If there are, let's say there are 6 pieces, have one. You will feel satisfied कि मैंने खा तो लिया है. अगर मिठाई का डब्बा है पूरा डब्बा तो थोड़ी खत्म करना है. एक मिठाई खा लेना, You don't have to overdo it. That's what I'm trying to tell you, Have a little bit of it. If I want to have something sweet, I will go to my fridge, get chocolate and have a piece out of the slab. I'm not going to finish the entire slab just cause it's a binge day and I want to eat it all. I'll have a little bit of it, So it will sort of control my craving, So that's what I believe in doing it, and it's worked for me. So that's what I'm saying. Don't deprive yourself. Otherwise, what will happen? You will end up eating double.
Yeah.
कल से शुरू करूँगी. कल से I will go on a diet. कल से I'll hit the gym. It's not about doing it tomorrow. It's about starting now, doing it today. It's like that.
So Ridhima, what your morning looks like? Like, what is your morning ritual? Like, you also have some morning drink or something in your routine?
So the first thing I have is cold pressed virgin coconut oil. The cold pressed oil.
Yeah.
So I have that 1 chammach every day, every morning. Amla prash. Then I'll have my fruits. I will have a date. 2 prunes, and then I have this juice that has beetroot, anar and amla. Otherwise, I'll have that akka amla, with pepper. So somewhere I saw if you sort of add pepper on your amla, it's better for your immunity. I don't know. I was just reading and I tried it, and I enjoy it. बहुत खट्टा है, but I love it.
Anything for glowing skin.
Again, workout, balanced diet, and hydrate. Hydration is so important, So hydration means have enough water. So I mean, literally, I have set an alarm on Samara's phone. Ke, matlab, when the alarm, because kids forget to drink water, and it's so important to hydrate, you know, and especially now in the summer, and you know, you just have to
Hydrate yourself so much.
yeah, you have to, you know, that's very, very important.
But also, I want to know this Kapoor family, like the skincare secret. You know, everyone in your Kapoor family, grandfather from Rishi ji, you, Ranbir, you, Karishma, Kareena, like we see, you know, like skin
Jeans.
is always skinning, flawless.
Skin is skinning. I like that.
It's always skinning on top.
No, but you have to look after your skin. I mean, if one is blessed, like you are blessed with great skin. So I want to know, what do you do for your skin? You are asking me. I'm looking at your skin. I'm like, yeah, what do you do?
I'm looking at yours.
Mutual admiration. No, but it's the same thing, yaar. I mean, honestly, घर के नुस्खे तो I don't.
You don't?
I don't, because for me, I'm like, you know what? I invest in products, in creams, and very generously I thopo them on my face. So I don't believe in, like, Samara will come and tell me, because she's very much into skincare, you know, teenagers at her age. So she's like, Mama, you must use this pack, and you know, I've prepared this, and why don't you try it? I'm like, it's okay, you try, you tell me if it works for you, great. But at the age I'm at, I don't have to lie and say, you know, कि मैं घर में I use this pack. I buy my creams and I very generously apply them.
Right. So you believe in this morning skincare ritual, or you believe that night care skincare routine is better?
So I will do my skincare in the morning and before sleeping. So twice, literally. But it's very, very minimal. So I'll just apply my moisturizer, my sunscreen, obviously after washing my face, you know. That's what I do. And at night, I follow the same. So nothing special, nothing like extraordinary. Very, very basic, very minimal. But that's what I do.
Anything you do for your hair? You know, like a chumpy or something?
No, I don't. I just use a good shampoo and an amazing conditioner and serum.
So, like Ridhima, you said that you just started applying the SPF. But you know, there's this new thing in the market, drinkable sunscreen. Have you heard
Drinkable
about it?
sunscreen?
Yeah.
No, never.
There's some drinks.
It's the first time I'm hearing.
But there is.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
I don't know. It was that you've heard of.
No, I haven't. I've literally just started using sunscreen, and I make sure my daughter, you know, follows the same. You know, like she applies like sunscreen at least a couple of times in a day, because एक बार लगा के नहीं छोड़ना है. You have to keep putting it throughout the day, applying it. What I mean. So that's what they say. You know, you can't just apply it once and
Reapply again.
you have to you have to apply it again and again. But
how many times? Like
3 or 4 times, I think. I don't know. मैं तो एक बार ही बहुत. It's good enough for me, you know. But even if you're indoors, you have to apply. It's not just if you're going out under the sun or whatever. It's even if you're at home, you should apply sunscreen.
a lot of people don't.
Yeah, so I mean, no. Coming back to your question, no. I don't even want to try that the drinkable sunscreen. I mean, I've had collagen.
Yeah, what is
I've
that?
had collagen. So it's worked for me. I was very happy with the results, but I haven't got myself to having it again. So I just tried it once. I just felt glowy, and I felt great. My skin felt great.
Also, Ridhima, nowadays, you know, people don't like to do every day, you know, the makeup and everything. There are a lot of this permanent makeup things in the market, along with Botox and fillers, you know. So what do you think about it? Like, what's your take on that?
I mean, if it works for you, if you want to do it, go and get it done. I mean, of course, consult a dermatologist. I mean, don't go overboard, you know. Yeah, I mean, I think one should just normalize it. You know, if you want to do your money, your face, do what you want to do.
Kar lo.
Kar lo. It's up to you. It really depends, I mean, what you want to do. I mean, if you're not, you know, if you want to get something done, and there are options in the market, avail it. Yeah. And why not?
Yeah, a lot of more options in the market, you know, in terms of permanent makeup and these fillers and everything. And people are going
every
for
day,
it.
yaar,
Every day.
kuch na kuch, you know, new thing you hear of or you see on the gram, you know. So I'm like,
So, Ridhima, I have a fun rapid fire session for you. So, my question for you firstly is, one fitness habit that you admire in your husband?
in my husband.
Yeah.
So, you know, Bharat is a workaholic, you know. So he leaves home at 7:38 and he'll come home at sometimes 9:30, 10, you know, dinner time.
Yeah.
But he never skips a workout. Never.
Wow.
Like he's very, very consistent. He will never skip his workouts, and he's just so it's great because it sort of de-stresses him, and he's very particular about his workouts. So that's
Dedicated.
something very dedicated.
Something
So I don't
that
know
we
where he
should
gets that from, but yeah, he's amazing.
One thing people don't know about you.
So I can play the piano, but I play by ear. So I don't read notes, but I play by ear. So you give me 10 or 15 minutes and I can play it on the organ.
Please show me also.
And I would like to think I can sing,
Wow.
but it's usually in the bathroom because my vocals sound great. And I whistle to songs, so to any tune, you know, so I can whistle.
Multi-talented. So who's the
Yeah.
lovely. मुझे पता ही नहीं था बिल्कुल भी.
My dad used to whistle also, so maybe
Aw.
it's you know, the trait has been passed down to me. So
That's
yeah,
really sweet.
yeah,
So who is the fitness freak in your family?
all of them.
Oh,
All of them are so particular about their fitness. Yeah.
one who's the
Yeah.
most. Like who never goes on the cheap diets.
I don't think anyone diets. Diet and Kapoors don't go together.
Yeah. That is also-
They love their food. So I don't think anyone really like believes in a diet. Yes, I mean they all eat a balanced diet, but I don't think anyone really diets in the family.
So who's the big foodie in your family?
Everyone.
All.
We are born foodies. What to do?
Okay, 5 things you never leave your house without.
Oh, there are more than 5 things.
Okay, please tell us.
Keys, wallet, hairbrush, hand sanitizer, what else? Sunglasses, reading glasses, my pocket tissues,
Okay.
wipes, antibacterial wipes, lip gloss, lip balm, and one more thing, lip liner.
Okay. It's a whole bag.
Whole bag, yeah.
One fitness habit you want your daughter to follow.
Start yoga with me. You know, I'm not saying you know, do every class, but whenever she can. You know, yoga really helps, you know, in the long run.
Okay. Who is your 3 a.m. friend? You know, like one you go for any advice or just for a fun chit chat.
मेरे फ्रेंड्स को 3 बजे कॉल करूंगी ना, डंडे पड़ेंगे.
1 बजे?
1 बजे, हाँ, मेरी एक दोस्त है, मेरी एक फ्रेंड है.
Okay.
I call her up. She could be my 3 a.m. but I've never really called her up at 3. 1 बजे I've called her. Yes, 1
Not
a.m.
as in 3,
friend.
मतलब कि कभी भी phone you can just
हाँ.
call her for
हाँ.
anything.
Yeah, I don't think they are the 3 a.m. types. They are the early morning 6-7 बजे call करो, but 3 बजे disturb मत करना. Beauty sleep is very important.
Okay. So when you're angry, what's the first thing you do to calm yourself down?
I breathe and I count to 10.
It helps.
Yeah, it helps. Trust me, it does.
What advice would you give to your younger self?
Don't care about what people say, and don't care about them judging you. You do what makes you happy.
Spiritual practice that you follow.
So I do meditate, yes, but I also pray twice a day. So after I shower, I will read my book,
Okay.
and I believe in Sai Baba. So yes, so I pray to him. I believe in Guruji. I chant. So that's why I do twice a day.
Apart from yoga and gym, what one fitness practice you love?
Yoga, yoga, and yoga.
That is.
I thoroughly endorse and enjoy doing yoga.
Any love advice you like to share?
Love advice.
Yeah. Because you know, we Gen Zs and this generation, we have a lot of commitment issues and
Yeah.
been married for so long.
Yes.
Touch wood. So, any love advice you like to
You have to be a good listener.
Yeah.
You know, you have to listen to and you have to communicate in a relationship. That's very important. Never sleep over a fight. You know, solve your problems, solve your fights, and then go to bed. Tomorrow's a new day. So don't prolong a fight. That's what I feel.
Okay. If you had to debut in a film, who would you want as your male co-star? Apart from anyone in Kapoor family.
How can they be my co-star?
Yeah, like
वो तो मेरे भाई हैं.
Brother के role में भी. कोई favorite Bollywood celebrity हो आपका?
हाँ है ना, John Abraham, my favorite.
Okay. If your love story with your husband had a movie title, what would it be?
Love Actually.
That's just love.
Love Actually movie थी ना?
Okay.
Love Actually. Yeah.
One secret you want to tell us for a successful married life?
Successful married life. Just be a good listener, to your husband. Listen to what he says. He may have things to communicate. You may have things to communicate. Compatibility is very important, and listening to each other. So that I feel is really, really important and goes hand in hand.
Sweet. One common habit that you find between Samara and Raha?
They both adore my mother. They adore her. Nani, and she calls her Dida.
Oh,
Yeah.
cute. Also, you're considered the fittest mom. Any
How sweet.
fitness tip you want to give to mothers, who are on their postpartum journey?
So, not only to them, but to everyone out there, we all lead busy lives, caught in a rat race and all of that. But it's very important to prioritize yourself, Very, very important. Health is your wealth. Everything comes and goes. Everything is meaningless without good health. So that's what I would like to tell everyone out there. Just find that time, those few minutes, meditate, chant. As I said, everyone is so busy, that it's very hard to find me time, but it's important too. For me, my bathroom is my literally I can, I just sort of think, and I just I don't chant in the bathroom, but I just sort of just collect my thoughts, and I'm relaxed, and so it's very, very important to find that space.
So you don't do that night relaxation routine, doing the skincare, little
That's different.
candle.
No candle and all. I don't believe in drama. Simplicity, get to the point.
Okay, if you could pursue any other career, like if you just have any other option, what would it be?
Musician.
Oh,
Yeah.
you could do it.
I should have taken that a little bit more seriously also.
You
Yeah.
could do now. You can go for it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, spill a little gossip or keep it a secret.
पेट में कुछ रहता नहीं है यार, so I say it.
So one
It's
gossip.
very hard for me to keep anything, but I usually just say it, but I'm trying now to contain and trying to keep secrets. but
Please tell us
पता
one
नहीं है.
gossip.
I don't have any.
Anyone.
I have none. I barely go out. No, because I prefer staying at home now. That's
Yeah,
I have no
nice.
gossip. I don't know what's happening in the town.
Smart answer. Well, Ridhima, that was some fun answers. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely talking to you.
Thank
for
you.
being today.
Likewise. Thanks.
Well, I hope you liked today's episode. That's all for today. Keep watching Fit Up.